box with discounted teams in Prism, the 4-box Prism NBA PYT at 745. All right, what's going on, everybody? Conor right here from Mojobreak.com for Thursday, September 16th, 2021. Doing a 4-box break of 2021 Topps Chrome Jumbo Baseball. PYT, pick your team number 1. G Penning has the Diamondbacks, Mike T Braves, Apex Red Sox, KJ with the White Sox, Astros, Cubs, Tristo with the Indians, Pirates, K Nelson Rockies, WPG Tigers, Reds, and Orioles, Dante Rafford with the Royals, Dodgers, Brewers, and Mets, Marcus Amen Angels, Munchie 50 with the Marlins, RTO Twins, CEO Yankees, Rangers, Bring Fire Break Athletics, WPG Phillies, Ghostbreaker Padres, FFH Price Giants, Mark with the Mariners, Ben L Cardinals, Blue Jays, Ben L with the Cardinals and Blue Jays, Tyler W has the Rays, and then Jimmy has the Nationals. Good luck. 5 autos a box. Let's go. The 2-box golf mixer is coming up next. Break's ready to go next. Uh-oh, there goes Saquon. I don't know. Hey. All right. Refractor rookie base card Alejandro Kirk for the Blue Jays. Start the break. Jose Ramirez, Tim Anderson. Blue refractor first auto for the Diamondbacks, Andy Young, Arizona. G Penning with the Diamondbacks. 36/150, Andy Young blue refractor. Rookie refractor base card, Chris Pache for the Braves. Jock Peterson, refractor Juan Soto for the Nationals. Cronenworth, reverse negative Aaron Nola for Philadelphia. Rookie auto Will Craig, Pittsburgh. Got the second auto of the box one. See ya. Pirates is Tristo. Refractor Max Kepler. Refractor base card. Fuchsia Mini Diamond Andres Jimenez rookie for the Mets. 14/350. Rookie refractor Tariq Skubal for Detroit. Devi Garcia for the Yankees, refractor base. Rookie refractor base. Rangers got an auto of Kyle Cody, base rookie auto. Texas, Kyle Cody. Rangers CEO. I don't know, can I? Refractor Ryan Yarbrough. Alec Baum insert. Alec Baum. Houston, rookie base auto, Novolo Rodriguez, Houston. Astros, KJ. Andres Jimenez. Tigers with the Brian Garcia base rookie auto. Detroit. WPG with the Tigers. Brian Garcia. This could be the 5th auto of box 1. Conforto refractor. Rookie refractor of Nate Pearson for the Blue Jays. Base card. And then a Blue Wave refractor base rookie Jesus Sanchez, Miami. 33 of 75 for the Marlins. All right, that's it for box 1. Number 2. Joe Adell insert. Refractor, Wilson Contreras, Cubs. That is a Keeper Ruiz for the Dodgers. And first auto box 2, refractor, Jorge Mateo, Padres. 183/499 for San Diego. San Diego Ghost Breaker. Mateo refractor. Actually, haven't seen a Mateo refractor in hella long. Or not refractor, but auto. Padres. He definitely doesn't pop up in hobby. Blue refractor rookie base card of Tristan McKenzie for Cleveland, 83/150. Rookie refractor base card Dylan Carlson for St. Louis. Brian Hayes. White Sox with the Cody Hewer. Base rookie auto. White Sox KJ. Cody Hewer. Mike Clevenger. Mini Diamond Green. Or not, that's not Mini Diamond. That's Green Wave. Adonis Medina Philly. Green Wave of JT for the Phillies. 3/99 Green Wave. Base card. Refractor Jin Ryu. That's going to be a Rays rookie auto of Josh Fleming, Tampa. Tyler W. with the Rays. Josh Fleming. Refractor Carlos Correa. Teal refractor auto for the White Sox of Zach Birdie. Teal numbered 179/199. Again, White Sox, KJ. Rookie refractor Jesus Sanchez base card, Miami. George Springer, Ahmed Rosario. Purple refractor base Bobby Dahlbeck. That's a rookie for the Red Sox, 192/299. Refractor base Yadier Molina, St. Louis. Pujols. Mariners got a Aaron Fletcher base rookie auto, Seattle. Mark with the Mariners, right? Yeah, Mark got Mariners in this one again. Alberto Mondesi. Mountcastle, Rufne. All right, that was box 2. SP Game Use and Artifacts Golf 2-box mixer of golf is next. Probably about 10-15 minutes. Rookie refractor base card, Luis Garcia. Miguel Cabrera refractor, Tigers. St. Louis got the rookie auto, Roel Ramirez. St. Louis, Ben L. Roel Ramirez. Refractor of Trevor Bauer, Reds. Matt Olson, Willie Adames, Rays. Edgar Martinez, Luis Robert, Jordan Alvarez. Purple refractor auto for the Diamondbacks, Humberto Mejia. Arizona, G Penning, 33 to 250. Humberto Mejia. Purple refractor auto. Louis Bobby refractor base card for the White Sox. Louis Bob. Teal refractor for the Yankees, Giancarlo. That's 59 of 199. Teal refractor base card. Rookie auto Mariners, Mark Johan Ramirez. Base rookie auto. Seattle. JT for the Phillies. Prismic Power, Garrett Cole. That's just a regular one. Nick Castellanos for the Reds. Looks like an SP. Top of that one for the Reds. Brandon McKay, Mondesi. Pirates with another auto. Jared Oliva, Pittsburgh. Pirates in the break. Tristo. Second auto Pirates. Refractor Chrisell. Brewers, Alex Vesia, Miami. Marlins, Munchie. Vesia, base rookie. Refractor, Eduardo Escobar. Reverse negative of Mookie Betts for the Dodgers. Luis Robert. Fuchsia, Lorenzo Cain for the Brewers. 152 to 399. Biggio Blue Jays. Biggio. All right. Last box of the break. 2-box golf mixers coming up next, and then after golf will be Contenders Draft Football. All right, last box of the break. We'll jump right into the golf random after this box. Dylan Carlson, refractor David Peterson for the Mets, base. Tanner Hook, Red Sox, and Eliodo Tavares for the Rangers, Texas Rangers. CEO, got the Rangers rookie auto, base rookie auto. Rookie refractor Mike Yes. Blue Wave Refractor base card rookie Dean Kramer for the Orioles, 22 of 75. Baltimore Refractor Cubs. Eugenio Suarez. Eloy Jimenez. That's a Tyson Miller for the Cubs, base rookie auto. Chicago Cubs in the break, KJ. Tyson Miller. Jeff McNeil base. Green Wave Refractor base card for the Cubs as well. Braylon Marquez rookie, 10 out of 99. Rookie Refractor base, Evan White, Seattle. I'm in the pursuit of him. Houston got the Blake Taylor rookie auto. Houston is going to be KJ. Josh Bell. Teal Wave. Mike Moustakas for the Reds. 176, 199. Refractor base card, Aaron Judge, Yankees. Houston with another auto, Brandon Bilek. Astros, KJ. Victor Robles refractor. Joe Adell, refractor base, Jose Ramirez. And closing out, we got a red. That's actually a red, right? Not a fuchsia. I can't tell that sometimes the fuchsias really be tricking me. Red. Damn, Red Wave rookie Luis Gonzalez for the White Sox. It's been a while since we had a red. 5 out of 5. White Sox KJ. Congrats. Luis Gonzalez Red Wave, 5 out of 5. Not a fuchsia, pink. 5 out of 5. Nice. All right, that was it, everybody. 4-box PYT number 1 of 2020 Topps Chrome Jumbo. We do have another 4-box PYT of Topps Chrome Jumbo tomorrow, PYT 2, and I'm probably going to post up another one for Sunday as well. All right, congrats to everybody who got a nice hit or parallel. All cards ship. You will get all your base cards. Everything ships from this one. Up next, we got our 2-box SP Game Using Artifacts Golf Mixer. Let me upload this break real quick, and then we'll get into that. Actually, I'm going to take a picture of that red real quick. It's been a while since we had a red. I'm in the pursuit of happiness. Golf next, and then after golf will be Contenders Draft Football. We're still filling up Gold Standard Football. 6-box, pick your team number 13. There is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still 8 teams left in Gold Standard Football. And that Gold Standard Football is scheduled for 7 o'clock.